Most people see an empty bottle and think it's trash. Omar Reese saw building material. And somewhere along the way, what started as a simple idea in a rock garden turned into one of the most unusual homes in Michigan. This is 39 Elza Avenue in Hazel Park, known locally as the Glass House or the Bottle House. A home built with more than 25,000 glass bottles, cold cream jars, whiskey bottles, Coke bottles, and pieces of everyday life that were never meant to become architecture. But that's exactly what happened. And today, this one-of-a-kind piece of Hazel Park history is officially listed for $350,000. The story begins with Omar Reese, a worker from Dodge, Maine, Department 171. According to an original article about the home, Omar had recently completed building his own house. That alone wasn't unusual. What made it unforgettable was the material that he chose. More than 25,000 glass bottles went into the construction. The idea came to him while he was building a rock garden. He noticed brightly colored bottles lying around and thought they would add color to the garden. So he molded a concrete block, placed bottles in the cement so that the large end showed, made a circle of cobblestones around each bottle, and let it dry. And when he saw the final result, he liked it so much that he decided to build himself an entire house out of bottles. That is the kind of story that you almost can't make up. A working man, a wild idea, and the patience to turn ordinary glass into something permanent. And what makes this even more special is that the story didn't just survive through newspaper clippings. It survived through family photos. These images show the people connected to the home standing proudly in front of the walls that Omar built. You can see the bottles. You can see the garden walls. You can see the children growing up around this place. You can see the home before it became a local legend. This wasn't just folk art. This was someone's family home. Before people called it the Bottle House, before it became a conversation piece, before it was something that people would slow down to look at from the street, it was simply home. And that's the part that matters. Because historic homes aren't just about dates, materials, or architecture. They're about the people who had the courage to build something different. But now, we're not looking at this home through an old photograph anymore. We're standing inside it today. And this is where the story changes. Because 39 Elza is not just a preserved curiosity. It has been brought into the present. It has been updated. It has been cleaned up. It has been made livable, functional, and ready for its next owner. And somehow, it still feels like nothing else on the market. This is where folk art history meets modern real estate.
This isn't just another real estate platform. This is something different. A place where every property has a story. Search with ease, but discover more than just location and price. Every space comes with context, history, and identity. You don't just see a home, you understand it. Want to sell? Create a listing that stands out by telling what makes your place unique. Save, share, and connect with people who value more than just square footage. We don't just sell homes, we take care of preserving and telling their story. Because every home has a story, let's discover yours. History loves company.
Welcome to 39 Elza Avenue in Hazel Park, Michigan, a truly one-of-one home offering approximately 1,225 square feet, 2 bedrooms, 1 full bathroom, a detached 2-car garage, and one of the most recognizable exteriors in Metro Detroit. From the street, the home immediately stops you. The bottle walls catch the light. The texture changes as you move around it. The glass, stone, and concrete create something that feels handmade because it was. This is not a builder-grade house. This is not a copy and paste renovation. This is a home with identity. And inside, the updates give you the comfort that buyers want today, while preserving the character that makes this property irreplaceable. As you step inside, the home opens into a comfortable living space with a warm, inviting layout. The interior has been refreshed so that the next owner can move in and enjoy the home without losing the charm that brought them here in the first place. The kitchen gives you practical function. The bedrooms offer comfortable everyday living. The bathroom has been updated. And throughout the home, you still have the constant reminder that you're not just standing in another house. You're standing inside a story. And then there's the lower level. Through the basement walkout, you have access to an above-ground flex space that opens up even more possibilities. This area is ready for vision. It could become a studio, a home office, a creative lounge, a workshop, a reading room, a small retreat. It's already plumbed for a gas furnace or a fireplace, and a mini split could make the space even more comfortable. In a normal home, this would be a bonus room. Here, it feels like another chapter. There are homes that you buy because they check boxes, and then there are homes that you buy because they make you feel something. This is the second kind. The glass house is rare because it exists at the intersection of architecture, art, local history, and pure human imagination. Omar Reese didn't set out to build something normal. He built something personal. He took what other people overlooked and turned it into a home that people are still talking about generations later. And now, someone else gets to become part of that story. "39 Elza Avenue in Hazel Park is now listed for $350,000. If you're looking for something ordinary, this probably isn't it. But if you've ever wanted to own a piece of Metro Detroit history, something with character, story, and a little bit of magic, this might be the one. This is the Bottle House, and this is your chance to own one of Hazel Park's most unforgettable homes. For private showings, reach out today. I'm Chris Hubble with History Loves Company and at Properties Christie's International Real Estate. Every home has a story. Let's discover yours.